Hey muffins, hope you all are fine and safe at home. Thanks for landing up here. So today's biggest problem of course after COVID-19 is hair fall. Whether it be a male or female, everyone is suffering from same issue. So guys, don't worry. I am here with a simple solution for it. So I have come up with a DIY hair mask which anyone can make at home and is very useful to reduce hair fall. Let's see what we require. So we need fresh aloe vera gel. If you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use any market product too. Any regular hair oil that you use. And the last product will be rosemary essential oil or tea tree oil. You have to use this hair mask at least twice a week for good results. And for best results, don't skip rosemary or tea tree oil. So let's make the hair mask. In a clean glass bowl, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Secondly, I am adding 1 tablespoon of M caffeine's green tea oil. Now I am adding 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Mix this mixture very well to get a creamy consistency. Now this mixture is ready to be applied to your scalp. So let's apply. Apply this mixture only to your scalp, not to the lengths. So make this mixture in a very less quantity. Please ignore my funny faces. You have to massage this mixture onto your scalp very well as you massage any oil. So that's it guys. Leave this mixture into your scalp for 45 minutes and then wash it. This is how my hair looks after I have washed it. Isn't it amazing? Okay guys, so do try this hair mask. For queries and suggestions, DM me in Instagram and my Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.